Frustrated with slow, complicated software? Imagine tools that work instantly, no installation needed. That's the power of B2B SaaS, business-to-business software as a service. So, what is B2B SaaS? Think of it like your favorite streaming service. You don't own the movies. You just log in and watch. Similarly, with B2B SaaS, businesses don't own the software, they simply log in and get to work, efficiently and effectively. Why B2B SaaS is a game changer? Low costs, high value. Businesses pay a small, manageable fee for the software, saving money while accessing powerful tools. Always up to date. The software updates automatically, ensuring it's always running smoothly with the latest features. Work from anywhere. Just like you can stream a movie on any device, B2B SaaS allows businesses to access their tools from any computer, anywhere. B2B SaaS is like an all-in-one toolbox for businesses, everything you need, in one place, without the hassle. So, if a business wants to be faster, smarter, and save money, B2B SaaS is the way to go. Try B2B SaaS today and experience the difference. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.